Ever wonder how to make your Telegram work for you? Welcome to the world of crypto earning bots. These digital allies are designed to enhance your cryptocurrency earnings, all within the Telegram platform. Imagine having a digital assistant tirelessly working around the clock, trawling the crypto market for the best deals, and executing trades with precision. That's what these bots do. They trade, they earn, they multiply your crypto assets. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, these bots are well-versed in the language of crypto. They analyze market trends, predict price movements, and make informed trading decisions. It's like having a seasoned crypto trader at your disposal, minus the human error and emotional trading decisions. But remember, while these bots can be valuable tools, they're not magic money machines. They require careful setup, thoughtful strategy, and regular monitoring. And as with all investments, there's always a risk involved, so always do your due diligence before diving in. So here's to making the most of technology and taking your crypto game to the next level with Telegram crypto earning bots. Your digital wallet might just thank you for it. Remember, the future of finance is digital and it's already here. Embrace it and watch your crypto assets grow.